Today we're going to make this do-it-yourself ghost paper chain. It's a great Halloween decoration craft.
For today's craft, all you're going to need is some scissors, a black marker crayon or pencil crayon, a pencil, some glue, and some white paper. So grab your supplies and let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is take that piece of paper long side left to right, short side top to bottom, and we are going to fold it. When you fold it, you're going to press down, and this is going to create a cut line. This is where we're going to cut. So we're going to have two pieces that are the exact same shape and size. Go ahead and cut your paper. Then we are going to take those two pieces of paper and we are going to join them. So it makes a nice long piece of paper. So you're going to use some glue. Just put a little bit of glue on one end and glue that down. Now, if you wanted a longer chain, so you wanted your ghost to go longer and longer and longer, then you could just do this again and add another strip. I'll just show you with these two pieces, and then once you know how to do it, you can make them as long as you would like. So now that you have your nice long strip of paper, we are going to fold. So to fold, we're going to go to the one side and we're going to fold over. Now when you're folding over, we're going to be drawing about half a ghost. So that's going to be, if I say maybe 3 finger spaces, that's about the width you want. Now when you fold, so you're folding forward over like this, and then you want to fold under. Now to do that, what I do is I just flip the piece of paper and I fold back. When I'm folding, I just want to match it. So this is the same as this. So I'm just folding, then I'm going to pick it up, turn it over, back to where we started, and fold this way. So it's going back and forth and back and forth. Then I pick it up again and I'm folding back. So I'm just going to show you here. You'll end up with this accordion. So all you're going to do is keep going and fold the whole thing back and forth and back and forth. When you're done, you will have this accordion shape. Okay, then just push it back together. You're going to put it down. Now I'm putting it down so that the little flap here is lifting up on this side, and then this is the folded side. So mine's down that way, flap is on the right, folded side is this side, because I want to draw on this folded side. And take my pencil, and using this folded side, I am going to draw half of the shape of my ghost. Now your ghost can be anything you want. I'm going to start up at the top here and I'm going to draw a curved line down. And then when you're drawing the arm, what you want from the arm is you want the arm to just come off of the page so that the next arm will link to it. So you don't want to draw an arm like this where it doesn't come off the page. That is not what you want. So I'm going to try this again here. I'm going to come down, I'm going to come up, and it's just gently off the page. So it's just a little bit off, and then you jump a little bit and come back. So it's just a little bit off. So see this little part here? That would be off the page. And then I'm going to come back in. I'm going to come down, I'm going to curve around all the way to this bottom, and then the bottom you can make whatever little design you want. It can go straight across. I think I'll just kind of make a little curve, come up, I'll curve, and then a little curve that's going to go off my page as well. So this is going to be half of my ghost, and then I'm going to cut. Now when I'm cutting, I'm going to hold tight on here so nothing moves, and I'm just going to cut the whole thing. And when you open it up, you will end up with your ghosts all holding hands. Ta-da! So there you go, you have your ghosts, and now it's just a matter of putting a face, whatever face you would like. So that's when you're going to use your black marker crayon or a pencil crayon, and you're going to go ahead and create a face. I just like to use some ovals, so 2 oval eyes and a mouth. You could make all of your ghosts look exactly the same, or you could make each face look different. This is where you get to be super creative. You could also use different colors. Go ahead and decorate your face on all of your ghosts.
Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for joining me on Craft Club for Kids. Remember, be creative and have fun.